Buddy, I just bought a Bayliner 2855 with a 330 horsepower Mercury engine. It's a 7.4 MPI, and the problem I have is when I start the engine, everything sounds fine. So I'm just gonna start up the engine. So when I put on the throttle, the engine dies. So I'm going to do it again. So if I continue with the engine, if I continue with the engine without putting it to start or reverse, then the engine goes fine. Filma vidare. And when I try to put it in forward, the engine dies. So if somebody has a good solution or anything, all help is very welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.